Hello guys, this is Zagros. In this video I wanna explain about Solana or Sol. Please start now subscribing and clicking the bell. You don't miss anything. What is Solana or Sol? Solana is a crypto computing platform that aims to achieve high transaction speeds without sacrificing decentralization. It employs a bundle of novel approaches, including the proof of history mechanism. Solana's native cryptocurrency is Sol, which is used to pay transaction fees and for staking. It also gives holders the right to vote in future upgrades. In August 2021, prices for Sol, the cryptocurrency that helps power the smart contract computable Ethereum computer, Solana suddenly spiked from around $30 at the beginning of the month to around $75 3 weeks in, drawing mainstream attention to the altcoin. Sol got a boost from one of the biggest crypto trends of the summer, the launch of primate-themed NFT collectible project. Specifically, the Generate Ape Academy NFTs, the first major NFT project to launch on the Solana blockchain. What exactly is Solana? Like Ethereum, Solana is both a cryptocurrency and a flexible platform for running crypto apps, everything from the Generate Apes to the Ethereum Decentralized Exchange or DEX. Its major innovation is speed via a bundle of new technologies, including a consensus mechanism called proof of history. Solana can process around 50,000 transactions per second compared to 15 or less for Ethereum. Because Solana is so fast, congestion and fees remain low. Developers hope high speed and low fees will eventually enable Solana to scale to compete with centralized payment processors like Visa. Solana's native cryptocurrency is Sol. It's used to pay transaction fees and for staking. Solana is available to buy and sell via exchanges like Coinbase. What makes Solana unique? When Bitcoin was invented more than a decade ago, it solved a really tricky problem: how to make it possible for strangers anywhere in the world to make financial transactions over the internet without a payment processor like Visa or PayPal in the middle. The technology that makes decentralized transaction possible and which created the whole universe of cryptocurrencies we now know is called a blockchain. But blockchains typically have one major downside compared to centralized networks like the one credit card companies use. They are slow. As of August 2021, Ethereum typically processes fewer than 15 transactions per second compared to tens of thousands for Visa's network. Solana is one of many new crypto solutions aiming to make crypto networks faster and more scalable. It uses a suite of clever technologies, including a novel mechanism called proof of history. Thanks for watching.